Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Water Street Hotel and Marina Ascend Hotel Collection. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a pet-friendly. Located in Apalachicola, Florida, this waterfront hotel features an outdoor swimming pool and free Wi-Fi. Guests can enjoy a daily continental breakfast as well. A fully equipped kitchen and laundry facilities come standard in each suite at Water Street Hotel and Marina Ascend Hotel Collection. Guests can lounge in outdoor furniture on a private patio. Free yoga classes are offered to guests at Water Street Hotel and Marina Ascend Hotel Collection. A business center and fitness center are also on site. The hotel is located 10 minutes walk from Historic Apalachicola city center. Locally owned and operated shops and restaurants are also within walking distance. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.